The arrival of a delegation from Tanzania's Independent Electoral Commission in Zimbabwe has sparked a renewed debate over the credibility of the country's electoral system, with the critics pointing to Zimbabwe's long history of disputed elections and allegations of vote manipulation. For scrutiny on ZEC credibility, the Tanzanian delegation arrives for electoral benchmarking visit. Subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Team now a 5-member Tanzanian team led by Mr. Lufingo Jeffrey Mwasali Jonga met officials from the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission in Harare this week for what was described as a 9-day knowledge-sharing visit on election management. The delegation was welcomed by ZEC Chief Executive Officer Mr. Simbarashe Tongai, aimed lingering questions from opposition parties and observers over the transparency of Zimbabwe's electoral processes. Speaking during the visit, Mr. Mwasali Jonga said Tanzania wanted to study how Zimbabwe conducts elections ahead of its own future polls. In quotes, "We are very happy to visit Zimbabwe because it's just 1 year since we accomplished our election in Tanzania. Currently, we are preparing for the 2030 election," he said. During this period, we wanted to share with a foreign country like Zimbabwe on how they manage elections. He said the Tanzanian delegation was particularly interested in Zimbabwe's handling of voter registration, polling station, candidate nominations, and election day procedures. "We are here specifically to learn how they manage the election cycle, from demarcation of polling station, voter registration, nomination of candidates, how they manage campaigns, and finally, how they conduct elections at the polling stations," said Mwasali Jonga. However, the visit has already triggered criticism from some Zimbabweans who argue that ZEC remains under heavy scrutiny following repeated accusations of electoral irregularities, especially during the country's previous elections. Despite the accusations, skepticism continues to shadow Zimbabwe's electoral processes, with opposition groups and critics frequently alleging lack of transparency, voter intimidation, and manipulation of results. Tongai, nevertheless, maintained that Zimbabwe's 2023 harmonious elections were credible. Doma developments are kuda panguva ino. Inakomesa kushemedza zvafungira elimu kuti pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like channel, turn the bell icon.